Right now, beneath the calm blue surface of our oceans, forces stronger than any storm are waking up. Whirlpools that can pull ships into spinning graves, volcanoes that breathe fire underwater, and waves that rise without warning, big enough to erase entire coastlines. These aren't myths. They're real, they're active, and they're happening right now, silently, beneath millions of tons of salt water. Today, we're diving into the 7 most dangerous natural phenomena in the ocean, the ones that even satellites struggle to track. Some can swallow islands, some poison the sea itself, and one of them can travel faster than a jet without leaving a ripple behind. Let's uncover the ocean's 7 deadliest secrets, one by one. Number 1. Maelstroms. It starts like a regular current, water swirling in gentle motion, but as 2 massive ocean flows collide, they form a rotating vortex so powerful that even Viking legends feared it. The Norsemen called them the jaws of the sea. They believed maelstroms could pull ships into the depths and never return them. And while modern vessels can often withstand these forces, smaller boats aren't so lucky. A maelstrom is nature's version of a black hole, 2 currents crashing, spinning water downward like a whirlpool from hell. At the center, pressure becomes so strong that water density changes, dragging everything toward the bottom. In scientific terms, it's just hydrodynamics, but to sailors caught in one, it feels like the ocean itself has turned alive, pulling, twisting, and roaring like it wants you gone. And here's the terrifying part. Some of these whirlpools can grow hundreds of feet across, spinning for hours before fading like nothing happened. Number 2. Red tides. Imagine walking by the beach one morning, and instead of turquoise water, you see blood-red waves crashing at your feet. It looks beautiful until the coughing starts. This is a red tide, a toxic bloom caused by microscopic algae. Most algae are harmless, they feed fish and create oxygen. But certain types release deadly neurotoxins that suffocate marine life and irritate human lungs. Florida, Japan, and the Arabian Sea face these outbreaks every few years. The sea glows crimson, and the air smells strange because the toxins become airborne. For fish, it's death. For turtles and seabirds, it's agony. For humans, it's an invisible warning: stay away. Scientists link these blooms to temperature shifts, nutrient pollution, and climate imbalance. But no matter how advanced we get, we can't fully stop them. Even the smallest creatures in the ocean can overpower the giants who think they control it. Number 3. Submarine volcanoes. We think of volcanoes as mountains on land, but the ocean hides thousands of them, sleeping, breathing, and exploding where no one can see. When a submarine volcano erupts, the pressure of the water above it forces the magma to behave differently. Instead of shooting into the air, it boils, hardens, and bursts like shattered glass. That's how black sand beaches form pieces of lava cooled instantly underwater. But sometimes things turn deadly. Underwater eruptions release massive plumes of gas. These bubbles reduce water density, and when that happens beneath a ship, buoyancy vanishes. The vessel sinks even though nothing looks wrong on the surface. Sailors have reported calm seas right before their ships vanished. No storm, no waves, just a whisper beneath the hull. And here's the bigger truth. Most volcanic activity on Earth happens below the ocean, unseen and unmeasured. Every island, every mountain chain, born from eruptions we never witnessed. Number 4. Cross seas. They look mesmerizing, square patterns stretching across the surface, waves forming a perfect grid. But beauty here is a lie. These are cross seas, formed when 2 powerful wave systems travel at different angles and collide. Instead of merging, they intersect, creating dangerous crisscrossing currents that pull in opposite directions. To the naked eye, it's stunning. To a swimmer, it's chaos. Step into one, and you're dragged 2 ways at once. No direction is safe. Even small boats can capsize as the hull twists between conflicting waves. Places like Tel Aviv, France's Isle of Ré, and parts of Australia are known for this rare sight. Tourists take photos, locals stay out of the water. Scientists say it happens when old storm swells meet new wind patterns, the ghost of one storm fighting the breath of another. And in that silent battle, the sea forgets which way to move. Number 5. Sea foam. You've seen it, thick white bubbles rolling across the shore, soft as clouds, harmless looking. But sea foam can be far from innocent. It forms when waves churn the ocean's organic mix: algae, fats, salts, even decaying matter. When conditions turn extreme, this foam can pile meters high, blanketing coastlines and suffocating marine habitats beneath it. In Australia and South Africa, locals have seen streets buried in foam like snowstorms made of sea scum. Children play in it, unaware that it can contain harmful bacteria and toxins from dead algal blooms. Scientists warn that the foam acts like a sponge, absorbing pollutants, heavy metals, and even microplastics. When it bursts, those particles are released into the air we breathe. It's one of those ocean mysteries that looks peaceful until you realize it's pollution disguised as play. Number 6. Tidal bores. Now imagine you're standing near a calm riverbank. The water flows quietly toward the ocean, but suddenly the current reverses the river itself, begins flowing backward. That's a tidal bore, one of nature's rarest and strangest phenomena. It occurs when a strong incoming tide pushes up a river against its natural flow, forming a wall of water that moves inland like a mini tsunami. In some places, these waves reach over 10 feet high and travel miles upstream, swallowing everything in their path. The Amazon's pororoca is the most famous. Locals hear it hours before it arrives, a low rumbling like distant thunder. Surfers sometimes ride it, risking their lives for the thrill of conquering the unstoppable. But beneath the beauty lies destruction. Tidal bores uproot trees, destroy banks, and drag debris and animals along. And, unlike tsunamis, they don't always announce themselves. All it takes is the perfect alignment of the moon, tide, and terrain, and the river turns into a moving wall of chaos. Number 7. Tsunamis. It begins with silence. The tide retreats, exposing fish, shells, and sandbars that no one should ever see. People gather, curious. Cameras click. Then comes the roar. A tsunami isn't just a wave, it's an entire ocean in motion. Triggered by underwater earthquakes or landslides, tsunamis travel at jet speed, up to 500 miles per hour, invisible until they reach shallow water. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami killed over 230,000 people in just a few hours. The wave wasn't towering at first, it rose slowly, calmly, then swallowed entire cities. The scariest part? In deep water, ships don't even feel it pass. It's a ghost, only visible when it's already too late. Scientists can track them now, but the ocean gives little warning. Sometimes your best alert isn't a machine, it's silence. When the water vanishes from the shore, run. The ocean is a paradox. It gives us air to breathe, food to eat, rain to drink, but it also hides the planet's deadliest moods. Maelstroms, red tides, volcanoes, cross seas, sea foam, tidal bores, tsunamis, 7 faces of the same untamed power. Each one begins quietly, invisibly, and ends with a reminder. The ocean doesn't need to be angry to be dangerous. So here's the question. If you had to face one of these, which one do you think you could survive? Comment below, and next time you stand by the sea, listen closely. It might be calm today, but the ocean never forgets.